Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video on using Google Earth Engine API in RStudio. In our previous video, we learned how to download and install R and RStudio in your local machine. Once you completed that step, now you need to start your RStudio. To start RStudio, you can simply type source and go to source and type RStudio. And this is the app. You can click open. Once you open the RStudio, it will appear like this. This is a script panel. This one is console panel. This one is for environment and dataset to import, and this one is for plotting. Then you go to the file, click new file, and click to RScript. Or you can simply use shortcut Ctrl Shift plus N, and it will appear like this. This is the untitled one, and now we can start typing the script here. First of all, to use the Google Earth Engine API in R, you need to install some packages. To install packages, you can type install dot and packages. Simply type rgee because the name of package that connects Google Earth Engine and R is rgee. You can click run, or for shortcut you can press shift and enter. So my rgee package is being installed here. Now, after you install the packages, you have to import the packages in your system. To import like this, library rgee, sorry, rgee. Now you have to run this as well. You can see the rgee package was successfully installed here. Then you have to authorize authorize your Google Earth Engine. If you haven't created a Google Earth Engine account yet, you can check my videos on Google Earth Engine. I have shown how to create a Google Earth Engine uh, account in that video. For now, we have to authenticate the Earth Engine. To authenticate, you have to write Earth Engine and this dollar sign authenticate authenticate, and the authenticate name, sorry, authenticate mode is equal to notebook. Okay, let's run this line. And to connect to get the API, you have to type ee dollar initialize, 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 and the project is equal to, you have to write the project name of your Google Earth Engine. For example, in my case, the project name in my Google Earth Engine is, you can check here, map mentors X. I'll simply copy this and paste this here, map mentors X, map mentors X, and click run. Just wait for a moment. Now it will open a tab in your browser, and it is asking us to choose a project, and you have to click here generate token. I'm generating the token. Now it is asking us to sign in. I'll simply sign in to my account, and I'll click continue. So in continue, I'm going to select all and click continue. Then it will generate a authorization code. You can simply click this and go back to your R. So I rerun this, and it is asking me to enter the verification code. I'll simply paste and click enter. So you can see that the successfully saved authorization token is successfully saved here. Now we can perform different analysis using R. Now, for example, we want to import a dim map of the world. So I'll give a variable name dim, uh, and I'll give this sign. As you can see in our engine, we used to do we used to give variable by writing the var and dim is equal to. So this is similar in R. where we have to give this sign is symbol of is equal to in R. So for the dim, I want to use data from here. So I okay, there is a global SRTM dim of 30 meter created by NASA. So I'll just click this uh, link and I'm going to paste it here. In instead of dot, we have to give dollar sign in R. So let me print dem dim. I'll first. So it is saying that dim auth engine object. Now we have to uh, give a visualization parameter. For example, I'm giving variable name v's, and inside the list I'll give some parameter. For example, minimum value is 0 meter and maximum value is equal to 1000 or 10,000 or 1000 meter. We have to give it is equal to not this. And for palette, I'm going to use combine feature like blue, red, and green. Okay, let me run this as well. Now we have to add the map in our canvas. So in Google Earth Engine, we used to write map dot add layer, but as I told you, we can't use dot in R, so we have to give dollar sign here. Then we have to give a name of variable, that is dim, and visualization parameter is beige, and name of the object is dim of the world. Okay, let me run this, and it is running because you can see that there is a stop sign and there is a sign of infinity type of loop. It will appear in this plot. As you can see, this is a dim of the world here. So this is a digital elevation model of world.